In this video, you are going to see the charging test of Samsung Galaxy M34 5G mobile. Right now, I completely drained the battery of this mobile and I'm going to charge it now. Also, you see the stopwatch to check the battery percentage every 10 minutes. Let's start now. In the box, you won't get any charger. I'm using a 25 watt Samsung charger that is there with me. It's really annoying to see this type of bad trend where the charger is not providing in the box. At least they are providing for mid-range mobiles. Right now it is also they are eliminating. We crossed the 10 minutes mark and it's charged at 16%. Let's continue this and check after 20 minutes. This Samsung M34 5G comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery that lasts for more than a day according to Samsung. We will check in real day time conditions how it is. I'm going to share the battery stats and everything in the full review in just a couple of days. This Samsung F15 comes with Exynos 1280 5nm chipset. We have already seen how these Exynos chips are heating up in other mobiles. I already posted a dedicated gaming review of this mobile along with thermals as well as the capacity of the battery. You can see in that video how this processor performs. Now we crossed the 20 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it's 30%. Let's continue this and check after 30 minutes. If you observe, I'm charging this mobile in switch off conditions. There are many reasons for this. Let's say for example, if I connect it to Wi-Fi using dual SIM card or running any background applications, it leads to differences in overall timing. So to eliminate that, I'm charging this mobile in switch off condition. Not only this mobile, I charge every mobile in switch off condition while doing this test. Now we crossed the 30 minutes mark. Coming to the battery percentage, it's 46. It's charging 15 to 16% for every 10 minutes up to now. So if you charge 30 minutes, you will get 46% of the battery, which is almost close to 50%, and it is more than enough to use this mobile in normal conditions for entire day. Let's continue this and check after 10 more minutes. I posted dedicated videos related to this Samsung M34 5G mobile in this channel. You can check the relative video links in the description box. One of the main drawbacks of this mobile is there is no charger in the box. Also, they gave a Type-C to Type-C cable, which means you must buy a 25 watts charger. Now we crossed the 40 minutes mark. It's time to check. The battery is at 60% now. I know that every mobile after 50% of charging charges the mobile differently to save the battery lifespan. Coming to the price, this mobile comes under 15,000 rupees. Also for this price, you will get a Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display, which is good. Most of the mobiles are lacking this AMOLED panel under 15,000 rupees in other brands. Also, you are getting good 5G bands as well in this mobile. Even the software experience is also good. Samsung promised 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patch updates for this mobile. This is crazy. For the past couple of months, Samsung has been pushing software updates on time for what they promised. Now we crossed the 50 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it is at 71%. Let's continue this and check after 60 minutes. If you charge this mobile with a 15 watts charger, you observe some minutes of time differences. Now we completed 60 minutes. The battery is at 80%. Actually, I turned on the battery protection, so that's why it stopped after 80%. So again, I turned off this option, kept the mobile in switch off condition and continued the testing. I don't recommend charging any mobile, even an iPhone, for up to 100%. The sweet spot is in between 80 to 90% for long-term battery life. I'm talking about the battery lifespan here, not the mobile battery backup. The battery backup time varies from user to user and the apps they are using, the environment they are currently in, etc. After 1 hour 10 minutes, it charged 89%. I started the timer 0 after 80%. I'm just adding the time to the previous one. Previously we completed 1 hour, so I'm adding to that. After 1 hour 20 minutes, the battery is at 94%. After 1 hour 33 minutes, it reached 100%. So it took 1 hour 25 to 33 minutes to charge from 0% to 100% in switch off condition in my testing. Why 1 hour 25 minutes means because I turned on the battery protection. So to eliminate that buffer time, I did this. So whether the charging time is good or bad, the answer is it's good, guys. The 6000 mAh battery charged under 1 hour 33 minutes. It's really a good thing. Also note that you notice heating and a little bit of warm while charging this device. It's not overheating, just a little warm. It is almost common in every mobiles. That's the charging test. Comment your opinion about this and also share your mobile charging time that it takes to charge from 0% to 100%. These are some other related videos of the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G mobile. I recommend you click these videos to get more information about this mobile apart from charging.